Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on safe mode on your Samsung phone. So if you ever have any kind of problems with it, or maybe you think you have like a virus or you got hacked or something like that, scroll on down from the top right, and then go to where it says power, and go to power right here, and hold down on it. Just like this. And then the option for safe mode becomes available. It says tap again to restart your phone into safe mode. So we can tap it again, and it's going to restart our phone into safe mode. So we're going to be disconnected from the internet completely, and then we still will be able to use our phone. And then if we did download an app that's super annoying, stealing our information, we can delete it under safe mode. And then once we delete all the spam, scammer stuff, we can just restart our phone like normal. So you can just go to power, restart, or force restart your phone by holding the power button and the volume down button, and that will get you out of safe mode. So if you ever get stuck, just these two buttons right here, hold them down, and that will force restart your phone and you will get out of safe mode. So there should be an option in the top left also. It won't show up right away. It will take maybe like 30 seconds for it to show up, but you can just swipe down from the top left, tap it right here, and it will say turn off safe mode. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.